Are your selfies on iPhone looking flipped or inverted? Don't worry, this is just a camera setting, and you can change it in seconds. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Camera. Now scroll down until you see Mirror Front Camera. If this is turned off, your selfies will look how other people see you. If you turn it on, your selfies will look like a mirror, the way you're used to seeing yourself. So if your photos look inverted and you don't like it, simply turn Mirror Front Camera on. If you prefer a more realistic look, leave it turned off. That's it. No apps, no editing. You're now in control of how your iPhone selfies look. Follow and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.